I'd like to give the floor to the CEO of Fincantieri, Mr. Giuseppe Bono, for a brief welcome speech.
Signor Presidente,
Mr. President,
benvenuto. A nome di
welcome.
Fincantieri,
On
e mio
behalf of
personale,
Fincantieri, on my personal behalf,
la ringrazio per la sua
I would
presenza
like to thank
che
you
rappresenta per
for
noi tutti
being
un
here.
momento
To us,
di orgoglio.
this is reason for pride, not only for Fincantieri, hopefully for the entire country.
Possiamo presentare una società in salute.
We are a healthy company that is growing at a pace that is one of its kind in the country. We have work for the coming 10 years, and hopefully we will be doing better and better as time goes on.
Darei la parola
Having said so, I'd like to give the floor to Mr. Gianluigi Aponte, and I'd like to remind you that we'll come from the deep south, and we have a saying, a wet ship is a lucky ship.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome in particular the President of the Italian Republic, Sergio Mattarella, and the Minister for Infrastructure and Transport, Graziano De Rio, representing the Italian government. And also I would like to welcome and greet all the military, civil authorities and dear guests who honor us here today with their presence. The presence of President Sergio Mattarella at the christening of our ship is something that really honors me and my collaborators and partners, to whom goes the merit of the success of our society, of our company. In fact, thanks to their professionalism, dedication and passion for their work, we are now the second world company when it comes to transportation of containers and fourth in the cruise sector. Today, we're here to receive MSC Seaside, the first cruise liner to be built for us by Fincantieri. It will be followed by the Seaview and another two sister ships, the contract for which we'll be signing today. At the same time, another 6 ships are being built, the STX shipyards that are participated and controlled by Fincantieri. This ambitious plan marks the beginning of steady growth. The aim is to offer our guests increasingly modern ships and increasingly valid and interesting itineraries. We believe that in the future we will be building at least one ship every year, and I'm sure that this will happen in collaboration and partnership with the Fincantieri Group. I do want to underline that such ambitious plans can be materialized only if the national financial and bank system will continue to support us as they have done so far. In this regard, I believe that it's my duty to thank all the banks that have supported us in all our different projects, Cassa di Prestiti e Depositi and SACE, which has been a fundamental tool to guarantee funding and financing. I also would like to thank the management of Fincantieri and all the workers for having perfectly built this MSC Seaside and also for being right on time with the delivery of this ship. I also would like to thank all the companies that were involved in preparing and building the ship together with our architect, Di Orio. To him goes the merit of the elegance of all the internal furnishings. I would like to thank the technical department, the designers, and also our personnel department that has provided the 1,500 members of the crew. The godmother of this ship will be my granddaughter, Asia, and I'm very proud of this. And she will have to bear this major responsibility of making sure that the bottle breaks. Thank you.
Ed ora siamo pronti ad assistere alla
And
cerimonia
now
del
we're
cambio
ready for the
bandiera.
ceremony of the change of flag.
Ad accompagnare questo momento la banda musicale della Marina
This ceremony will be
Militare che
accompanied by
eseguirà
the
l'inno
national
nazionale
anthem
italiano.
performed by the Italian Navy Band.
Invitiamo ora il vicario generale
I'd like to
dell'Arcidiocesi di
invite now
Gorizia,
the Vicar
Monsignor
General of the
Armando
Diocese of
Zorzin,
Gorizia,
per
Monsignor
la
Armando
benedizione
Zorzin,
della nave.
to bless MSC Seaside.
Il nostro aiuto è nel nome del Signore che ha fatto cielo e terra. O Dio, che vegli sulle sorti dell'uomo e dell'universo, tieni lontano da questa nave ogni avversità ed ogni tempesta. Preserva incolumi, passeggeri, marinai e tutto il personale, perché possano navigare felicemente e giungere al porto desiderato. A te, gloria nei secoli, per Cristo nostro Signore. Amen. E la benedizione di Dio Onnipotente scenda non solo su tutti quanti hanno collaborato alla realizzazione di questo stupendo nave, ma anche quanti ne usufruiranno perché possano salire e scendere sempre con maggior speranza e con maggior prospettive di futuro. Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo. Amen. Grazie.
E siamo così giunti al momento del
And now comes
battesimo
one
di
of
MSC
the most significant
Seaside.
moments of today's celebrations, the
Invito
christening of
sul
MSC
palco il
Seaside.
direttore del cantiere di Monfalcone, Roberto
To
Olivari,
invite
ed
on the
il
floor
comandante di
Mr.
MSC Seaside,
Roberto
Pierpaolo
Olivari,
Scala.
shipyard director, and the captain of MSC Seaside, Captain Pierpaolo Scarpa.
Come ci è stato anticipato poco fa da Gianluigi Aponte, il taglio
As
del nastro
Mr.
vedrà come
Da
protagonista una
Ponte
giovanissima
said,
madrina. Si
the
chiama
ribbon will be
Asia
cut by a very
ed è
young
appunto la
court
nipote
mother.
di
Her name is
Gianluigi
Asia,
Aponte.
and she is
Come da
Mr.
tradizione,
Aponte's
MSC,
granddaughter.
la madrina è sempre un
Traditionally,
membro della
For
famiglia
MSC,
dell'armatore.
the court mothers are always a member of the owner's family, coming from the owner's family.
In nome di Dio, madrina, taglia!
Adesso le diamo un mazzo di fiori. Ora le diamo un mazzo di fiori. Ora le diamo un mazzo di fiori. Termina qui la cerimonia di consegna di
So the
MSC
first part of
Seaside
MSC Seasid's
sottobordo.
handover ceremony is
A
now
breve
over,
proseguirà
and
quindi
very
a
soon
teatro.
the second part will continue in the theatre hall.
Linea e microfono quindi sul palcoscenico del
So the line goes back to Fabio Gatti on the stage, theatre stage. Thank you, Giovanni Martini. I'd like to invite you to give a hand to this beautiful ship that has just been christened. She's beautiful, MSC Seaside.
Ryan Little.
Yoga!